Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how I shop for groceries in Chiang Mai and my first cooking experience here. If you are looking to buy groceries in bulk, you can check out Macro for bulk discounts. However, upon checkout, I was sadly told that they only accept cash, so I decided to shop online instead. Hey guys, so I actually bought groceries delivered to my home. In total, all this cost me 2,500 baht. Colgate, holy basil, unripe banana, 50 lime, eggs, fish sauce, oyster sauce, extra virgin olive oil, golden mushrooms, garlic, soy sauce, laundry detergent, frozen cauliflower, broccoli and carrots, faba fish or mackerel fish, frozen minced pork. Today I will be cooking holy basil pork with eggs and vegetables. This recipe is slightly altered for a healthier diet. First, I boiled my golden mushroom, broccoli, carrot and cauliflower without seasoning. It's scrambled eggs with cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil because of its antioxidant properties and it fights inflammation. Next, it's minced pork. I don't add any oil for this because the pork itself has some fats in it. Next, I add chopped garlic, seasoning, lastly, it's holy basil leaf. You should turn off the heat and use the residual heat to cook the leaves. After about an hour of preparation and cooking, it's finally time to eat. Here we have 350 grams of basil pork, 3 scrambled eggs, about 80 grams of vegetables. These meal macros are mainly geared towards high protein, low carbs. I'm trying out this diet because whenever I eat rice or noodles, I'll fall into food coma. So I decided to just replace my rice with vegetables instead, and it worked. So you might be asking, why am I cooking my own meals? Because stores outside, I'm eating like close to 2 plates to 3 plates in one setting. The portion size are so small, so I decided to just buy my ingredients, cook myself. Dessert will be fresh milk with unsweetened cacao powder. This dessert has 0 sugar added. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my socials. If you have any video requests, let me know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to drop me a little support, check out my Buy Me Coffee link down below.